Vice Chancellor, Professor Christopher Ekong cordially invites the university community and the general public to the 136th Inaugural Lecture of the University to be delivered by Emmanuel Kunle Abudu, a Professor of Pathology and Chief Consultant Pathologist, Department of Pathology, Faculty of Basic Clinical Science, College of Health Sciences, University of Uyo. Professor Emmanuel Kunle Abudu is a distinguished academic, medical practitioner, and administrator. He is currently the Dean, Faculty of Basic Clinical Sciences. A graduate of Medicine and Surgery, he obtained a master's degree in Haematology, became a fellow of the National Postgraduate Medical College of Nigeria, and earned an MBA from the University of Uyo. Professor Abudu has served as acting head of the Department, Basic Clinical Science, Chairman, Medical Advisory Committee, University of Uyo Teaching Hospital, UUTH, Director of Clinical Services and Training, and board member of the University of Uyo Teaching Hospital. With over 65 scientific publications, his research focuses on gastrointestinal and urogenital cancers. He has secured major research grants, including TED Fund and international cancer research collaborations. Professor Emmanuel Kunle Abudu, advancing medical science, strengthening healthcare, and inspiring excellence. Join us as he delivers his inaugural lecture and the 136th inaugural lecture of the university, titled Turning Human Cells and Tissue into Answers, Pathology, the Bedrock of Cancer Care. Date, Thursday, June 25, 2026. Time, 3 p.m. Venue, 1,000-seater TED Fund Auditorium, University of Uyo Main Campus, Nwangiba Road, Uyo. Guests are to be seated by 2:45 p.m. Mrs. Blossom Okorie, Registrar and Secretary to Senate. Announcer.